What's up guys, right here your boy Steve with another video. Thanks for tuning in, and let's go ahead to what today's YouTube video is all about. But first, let me show you guys my daily 3 valve. It's really nice, really. Jeez, let's get to it. It's finally come the day where I take this baby to get pro charged. So after a 2-year wait and a lot of money spent on the bill, I can finally get my hands on the booster card. Yes sir. Excited to see the numbers I'll be making with how fast I will be. You know, looking forward for that first drive after the install. But first, let's get to that drop-off site. So we're going basically we're going to Huntington Beach. That's where my tuner is located, right? So yes, I am tuned by S550 Tuning. He's tuned most of my cars, 197, the one I had before. Now he's tuned this one many times. So now I'm trusting him with the stage 1 boost kit, which consists of the ESS G2 Pro Charger that comes with a 1050DX injectors, along with a booster pump and a DW40, I believe, fuel, and just a basic boost street tune, pretty much. So nothing too crazy. I'm hoping to be in the 700s, 750s. But let's get to the dropout site. So let's begin. Let's do it. Let's get to that dropout site. Let's go, baby. Be a quick 30-minute drive, not too crazy. Not too crazy, nothing different, you know. I like driving this car. It's pretty damn chill, you know. It's pretty loud too, but I'm hoping this install will make it faster. I don't know, I've been getting that Supercharger system. Like, I feel like my alternator, I just refurbished my alternator. I think it's a little story before I made the appointment with S&P Tune. I had my guy to my oil pump gears, my crank sprocket, timing chain, all that good stuff, right? Like supporting mods for boost. So it turns out he accidentally dropped coolant on my alternator. So when he returned the car, when I got the car back, he came out to me and told me, oh yeah, like I think the charging system is failing, but just drive the car to see how it feels if it starts acting up. So yeah, like I drove the car, this and that, took it back to him. He kind of took off the alternator and sent it to get you know, rebuilt. So he now installed it, but I keep getting this code. So I don't know, I'm gonna tell S&P to look into it, see what, you know. So just stay with me right here, guys. It'll be a little cool drive. I'll get back to you guys when I'm over. So alright, stay tuned. so I kind of brake too hard and that shit just flew to the floor right there. And you guys already know I'm always on that juice, you know. See the details, the bill, we'll see what's up. Dropping it off right here. FTY, bro, all the way. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we dropped the stang right here at S&P. Ready by Thursday. Today is Monday, so you know, a few days to wait. Couple cars. I didn't want to go in, you know, just chilling. Alright, bro, we got my boy over here with the Raptor. He's gonna give me a ride back to the house. Well, thank you guys for tuning in one more time right here with the stang. We'll see how the ending result turns out to be. I'll be with the numbers I'll be making. We'll stay tuned. I'll be back on Thursday, you know. Meanwhile, I'm gonna upgrade. Not upgrade, but make more content of my daily S197 3 valve. Let's go.